Now I want to take you through something that we've just landed here. It's the Hotronix application pad. Now, why is this important? If you've ever had problems with scorching of garments, heat marks on heat sensitive products, bags, maybe it was a nylon jacket or even a life jacket like that one over there, this product has been designed to stop the scorch marks. How does it work? Okay, so it's a thin silicone, it's really stretchy and rubbery, okay, and you put it over the top of the transfer on the heat press just before you press. So garment, transfer, place this down over the top. Some people use Teflon, others use parchment paper or like just paper over the top, transfer paper. This replaces that, creates a little bit of an insulation buffer from the top plate down to the transfer, meaning the garment itself is better protected. Now, it might mean that you have to do a 20-second press as opposed to a 10-second press, a little bit longer for the heat to sort of set through, but because it's slower acting, you don't get that scorching mark. So guys, if you have issues with scorch marks on heat-sensitive products, particularly nylons, get in touch with us. The Hotronix application pad is the perfect solution.